The HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is a high-performance machine designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand speed, power, and reliability. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. Packed with cutting-edge components and thoughtful features, this device elevates your computing experience to an entirely new level. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, streaming, editing content, or managing intensive workloads, the HP Victus 15 delivers smooth, responsive performance every time. At the heart of this laptop is the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor, featuring 10 cores and 16 threads with a turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz. This CPU not only handles modern gaming engines with ease but also excels in productivity tasks, offering lightning-fast response times and seamless multitasking. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU with 8GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM, this laptop supports ray tracing and DLSS, ensuring lifelike visuals and superior rendering power. Whether you're engaged in competitive gaming or high-end video editing, this combo of CPU and GPU guarantees fluid performance and immersive experiences. The system is further enhanced with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and an ample 2TB NVMe SSD, which means rapid boot times, nearly instant file access, and more than enough room for all your games, projects, and media libraries. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth gameplay and eliminates motion blur during fast-paced action. On the connectivity side, the HP Victus 15 is well equipped with USB Type-C, HDMI, RJ45 Ethernet, multiple USB-A ports, SD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures fast, stable wireless connections. Add to that the backlit keyboard, integrated webcam, pre-installed Windows 11 Pro, and a full office suite, and this laptop becomes a powerful tool for both work and play.